Today I'm gonna be trying out this new feature in A Studio, an amazing feature. I'm gonna be singing something, and for the first time you guys are gonna hear my singing voice. So I have A Studios open up and I'm just gonna sing something. Most of you guys will not know, but I started music production, doing a lot of gospel. So I'm just gonna sing something gospel, and let's see what the AI is gonna do. So 80 BPM I think is fine. Let's record audio. Lord, you are an amazing God. You do wondrous things. I worship you. You're amazing, God. How wonderful. You are good. You are kind. And I worship you. You're an amazing, God. I worship you. You are amazing, God. I give you praise. Yeah, that was bad. Yeah, man. So that's my singing voice. So when I tell you guys that I can't sing, I'm sure right now you believe that. Trust me, I don't really know how to sing, but I'm just gonna try and we're gonna see what the AI is gonna give us. So hopefully transform this into something amazing. But I don't even listen to I don't know whether it's only me, but for me, I don't like hearing my voice. Even when I'm editing my videos, I find it very difficult just hearing myself over and over a year. But yes, I'm not gonna play this. You guys have already heard the original from the mic. So I'm just gonna right click on, but for the sake of this video, let me just play what that sounds like. Lord, you are an amazing God. You do wondrous things. I worship you. Is it me? I felt like I was not even on beats, but yeah, let's just see. That's an extra work for the AI. Let's just see what it's gonna do with that. Maybe it's gonna put it on time and work with this. So I'm just gonna right click on this and go over to the AI tools. I'm gonna say music enhancer. So I want this to enhance this music, right? So I'm gonna copy this prompt I used the last time. So I'm just gonna go to new enhancement and I'm just gonna select everything, select the whole song and click on continue. So it's gonna listen to it, it's gonna analyze it, pick out the lyrics of what I was singing. Then I could just give it a prompt. Okay, so it has got, laid down the lyrics for me. So I have the verse, randomly put a style here, but I'm just gonna remove all this and just paste my own prompt. So I just wanted to add some drums. So let's just click on enhance and hear what this is gonna transform what I've sang into. Okay, so it's done generating, and are you guys ready to hear what this is gonna give us? I also don't know. We did it together. So let's just listen to. Oh, nice.
Lord, you are an amazing God. You do wondrous things.
Ooh.
I worship you. You're an amazing God. How wonderful. You are good, you are kind, and I worship you. You're an amazing God. I worship you. You're an amazing God. I give you praise. You're amazing God. I worship you. You are good, you are kind. You deserve it all. You are good, you are kind. I worship you. You are good, you are kind. I worship you. You are good, you are kind. I worship you, oh God.
Damn. What? Guys, can you just see how mind-blowing this is? Like, from this. Lord, you are an amazing God. You do wondrous things. I worship you. To that. So let's just listen to the second version.
Lord, you are an amazing God. You do wondrous things. I worship you. You're an amazing God. How wonderful. You are good, you are kind, and I worship you. You're an amazing God. I worship you.
mind blowing. This is mind blowing.
Amazing God, I give you praise. You're amazing God, I worship you. You are good, you are kind, you deserve it all. You are good, you are kind, I worship you. You are good, you are kind, I worship you. Oh God.
Like right now, I don't even know which version to pick. Trust me, these two sounds amazing. So you can see how you can just take a basic idea, damn, and turn it into something amazing. And in subsequent videos, I'm also going to show you how you can use your own vocal. Let's say you are a good singer, you can then just take this idea and just replace it with your own vocal, so it will be you singing it. So if you want to see a video like that, just drop a comment in the comment section, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. But I just can't get over this. Like, this is amazing. So the next thing you can do is you can pick this, just drag it into your DAW, or you can still drag it into a studios and just separate this into stems. If you want to do that, come over to the AI tools, come over to stem splitter, so you could then split it into different stems, and you could do more to it, structure it the way you want to. But for me, this is just mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing. This is me that I never thought that I would, record myself singing. But, here is me now having that confidence to record myself, because I'm just so anxious to hear what it's going to sound like. And I've also tried it in some Afrobeat song, and trust me, it sounds amazing. Blowing. So let me know whether you're going to be trying this out and what you think about this new development. Trust me, in years to come, you're going to see how AI is going to evolve, and you just need to hop on it right now. I'm not forcing you, but I think it's just good to hop on it right now. And if you love videos like this, I was more amazing videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so you definitely get notified when next I post. And I've added a new section on my Patreon fully dedicated to those of you who love AI content. So I show you guys how you can create amazing AI music videos, how you could use AI properly, and how you can use AI creatively. So that section is also there. And I also have a paid membership on my YouTube. In case you can't join the Patreon, you also get the same thing on the paid membership on YouTube. So you definitely wanna hop on that and subscribe, and go enjoy amazing things, specifically for those of you positive about the AI. So thank you guys for watching, and definitely see you guys in my next video. Peace out.